Welcome to the perfect backyard oasis. Whether you're gathering with friends, enjoying a quiet evening, or roasting marshmallows with family, an outdoor fireplace can completely transform your outdoor space. Today, we'll explore 10 simple yet stunning outdoor fireplace design ideas that will elevate your backyard to new heights of comfort and style. Let's dive in. Number 1. Classic brick fireplace. This timeless design is perfect for those who want a touch of tradition and warmth in their outdoor space. Brick fireplaces are known for their durability and ability to retain heat, making them ideal for cool autumn nights or chilly evenings. You can go for a traditional red brick or opt for a more modern color palette, depending on your outdoor decor style. The beauty of a brick fireplace is that it can complement virtually any outdoor setting, from rustic to contemporary. And with a bit of creative flair, you can add a personal touch by incorporating unique patterns, arches, or even a built-in hearth for extra seating or decor. It's a statement piece that's both functional and full of charm. Number 2. Modern concrete fireplace. For those who prefer a more modern, minimalist approach, the modern concrete fireplace is a fantastic option. Concrete is versatile, durable, and has a clean, sleek aesthetic that works well in contemporary outdoor spaces. One of the best things about a concrete fireplace is how it can be customized. You can choose from a variety of finishes, polished for a smooth, reflective look or textured for a more industrial vibe. Add some modern outdoor furniture, and you've got yourself an ultra-chic setup that's perfect for entertaining or relaxing in style. Number 3. Chimenea. Next, we have the chimenea, a charming and functional outdoor fireplace that brings a touch of old-world charm. Originating from Mexico, the chimenea is traditionally made from clay or cast iron, and its unique shape funnels smoke upward, making it ideal for smaller spaces. Chimeneas are great for those who want a portable, easy-to-use fireplace. They're also perfect for those who love a little history and tradition mixed into their outdoor living. Plus, with their compact design, they can easily fit into almost any corner of your backyard or patio. Number 4. Natural stone fireplace. If you're looking for something that blends seamlessly with the natural landscape, the natural stone fireplace might be just what you need. Built with rugged stones of different shapes and sizes, this fireplace exudes a raw, organic feel. The beauty of using natural stone is that no two fireplaces are exactly the same. Each stone brings its own character, creating a fireplace that's both functional and an impressive focal point. Pair it with comfortable seating and some outdoor lighting, and you've got yourself a cozy retreat that feels like it's been carved right out of nature. Number 5. Wooden pergola with fireplace. A pergola adds height, structure, and a touch of elegance to your outdoor area, while the fireplace provides warmth and ambience. Together, they create a charming and functional space where you can gather, dine, or simply relax. Adding a pergola around your fireplace creates a sense of enclosure, making the space feel more intimate and cozy. It also provides an excellent opportunity to add climbing plants or hanging lights, enhancing the natural beauty of your outdoor space. It's the perfect setting for long summer nights or cool fall evenings. Number 6. Gas-powered fireplace. Sometimes, convenience is key, and that's where the gas-powered fireplace shines. With just the flip of a switch or press of a button, you can have instant heat and ambience without the hassle of wood or cleanup. Plus, gas fireplaces come in a wide range of designs, from ultramodern to more traditional styles. Gas-powered fireplaces are great for those who want a low-maintenance option without sacrificing style or warmth. You can even customize the look with glass pebbles, lava rocks, or ceramic logs to match your outdoor decor. It's sleek, efficient, and perfect for any modern outdoor space. Number 7. Fireplace with built-in bench. Maximize comfort and seating with a fireplace with built-in bench. This design idea is both functional and space-saving, allowing you to create a gathering area that's centered around the warmth of the fire. A built-in bench not only provides additional seating but also enhances the overall design of your outdoor space. Whether it's made from stone, wood, or concrete, this bench will encourage people to cozy up, relax, and enjoy the warmth of the fire, making it the heart of your backyard gatherings. Number 8. Wall-mounted fireplace. For a sleek and contemporary look, a wall-mounted fireplace is the perfect option. These fireplaces are often built into the walls of patios or outdoor seating areas, creating a streamlined and elegant design. Wall-mounted fireplaces can be gas, electric, or even ethanol-powered, offering flexibility in design and functionality. They're great for smaller spaces or for those who want a more minimalist aesthetic. Plus, they can serve as a beautiful centerpiece, adding a touch of sophistication to your outdoor living area. Number 9. Cornerstone Fireplace. By utilizing a corner of your patio or backyard, you can create a cozy, tucked-away spot that feels intimate and inviting. Corner fireplaces are perfect for those who want to make efficient use of space without sacrificing style or functionality. The stone design adds a rustic, natural feel, while the corner placement creates a sense of privacy and seclusion. It's the ideal setup for smaller yards or for creating a quiet retreat within a larger space. Number 10. Fireplace with water feature. And last but not least, for the ultimate outdoor retreat, why not combine fire and water with a fireplace with water feature? The contrast between the flickering flames and the calming sound of running water creates a truly unique and serene atmosphere. A water feature next to your fireplace adds a sense of tranquility and balance to your outdoor space. It's perfect for those who want to create a peaceful, spa-like retreat right in their backyard. This combination of elements is not only visually stunning but also incredibly soothing, making it the perfect spot to unwind after a long day. So, whether you're a fan of classic designs or prefer something more modern, there's an outdoor fireplace idea for everyone. Each of these designs can turn your backyard into a cozy, stylish, and functional outdoor living space that you'll love for years to come. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more outdoor design inspiration.